many phones because they were broken, but now I found a way how to fix it. Let me show you how to fix it. Alright, so here's the tools you will need, including an airsoft gun, whatever, gonna get some crap. But this is all the tools you will need to do the thing. And these are the phones that I will fix with this stuff. So, yeah. Now first what you want to do is shoot each one just in the center. Some cheap shoot gun thing. It does a little bit of fixing on it, so you do the other one. Okay, so you shoot this one. Oh snap, you see that? That's a fixing upping thing. Alright, so next you want to use this tool. Alright, so there's this. Okay, so you want to get your hammer and just okay, well that was not even what I expected the fixing to be. So what you want to do is just open this up a little bit, put it on the table, and just look, you see that fixing up a little bit, and then you want to like try to bend it. So then you go to the next tool that you need to use. Okay, so next tool that we need to use is this drill thingy. What I want to do is just go right in the middle. Alright, so you see that right there? You got a little fixing up. So I want to close it and just do a hole right down. But I want to turn down the jank a little bit, because it works better when you use the thing. So what you want to do is just get the phone, get all that out. See, look, we got it fixed right there. I haven't done this one, so we can do this one right now. First, what you want to do before you do anything is open this thing up. I don't know how to do it. There we go. Take the battery out, because the battery can explode when you're fixing this stuff, and you don't want it to die. So you take the battery out, throw it over there. So you just get this, put it on each other. It's an old phone. So you see this, look, all this fixed right there. But we need to get through there, the whole thing. So, okay, so now what we need to do, I need to do is turn up the jank a little bit and just go straight through the thing. Oh. Alright, so we need to retighten the jank, and then we can just keep going again. Alright, so I think we're almost through. We just gotta keep going. As you see, I have my safety glasses on, because safety, you don't want to get shards flying in your face. I feel like I should also be wearing a mask too, but too bad this thing's inexpensive and stuff, so you just want to keep going. Alright, so since we got most of this one, let's just move this one. Alright, so what you want to do now is open it, and then just go right. Okay, so we got something to right here. I want to turn this up a little bit. We got see that all that right there in the front. So I want to do on each letter. So you want to. Alright, so I want to snap it in half. So we have to dip this in half so we can edit the parts inside to fix it up. So you want to go. Alright, so we got these two parts off. So what you want to do is get this screwdriver thingamajig thing, whatever the heck this is, and you just want to go right in the middle. So I'm going to stand it up so I don't Actually, look, there's a little hoop thing right here. So, alright, there's a camera right here. Now, I have heard that people hack into cameras. So, the thing for fixing that problem is just... There you go, see, you got the camera going. Okay, so, now you want to get it out. And go back in, because you have to do that over and over again. Alright, so you want to go back in again, because Alright, so what you want to do now is, you see it's going through a little bit. You got to go fully through. So then what you want to do after is that you destroyed and not destroyed, fixed. My bad. Is you want to clean up the area. So what you want to do now is just put your stuff that you used in the, because I have a fire pit, so I put it in the fire pit. You can put it wherever that is disposable, but you put it in the fire pit to fix it more. Then what you want to do is just bury the jank that you found. So you want to sink some dirt and just flush it down. That can't be visible either, so I'd prefer getting your fire pit dirt. Ours is black for some reason, and just burying it so no one knows. So you can just so you can see the little piece right there sticking out. You do not want that. So let's get some dirt, pour it on top. There you go. You can't see it, so no one knows that you fixed their old phone. So yeah, so